This is the Lacedol Humidifier. It has a touch screen where you can operate the buttons. You have your power button to turn your device on or off. You have a timer button, so you can set the machine to run 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 12 hours continuously and then turn off on its own. You have a humidity button to set your desired humidity level from the humidifier. You have a light button to have some colors show in the see-through glass where the 2 gallons of water can be held. You have a sleep mode so that the device can run a little bit more quiet. So this is an excellent humidifier. This is enough humidity for a very large room.